Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar dropped 0.3% against the yen in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 1.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The gold gained 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold edged higher, lifted by retreating Treasury yields, while investors cautiously awaited more data that could offer fresh clues on the Federal Reserve's monetary easing cycle. Spot gold rose 0.5%. The US dollar edged higher against most major currencies, resuming the latest uptrend that took it to more than 2-month highs, fueled by expectations the Federal Reserve will proceed with modest interest rate cuts over the next year and a half. Crypto asset manager Grayscale has added 35 crypto altcoins, including Dogecoin, WorldCoin, Pyth, and Rune, to a list of assets that are under consideration for future investment products.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's core consumer price index will be released at 6 GMT, Japan's exports at 2350 GMT, the US export price index at 1230 GMT. The UK's consumer price index will be released at 6 GMT, Italy's consumer price index at 8 GMT, Germany's 30Y bond auction at 9:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.